This cat's video is so cute. My bestie must watch it. I'm going to share with her. Wait. Sometimes I get curious. Like me and my bestie were definitely in a different places. But we still can communicate with each others. How? Wait. I got a friends from electronic communication. They should know the answer. So I think I'm going to ask them, do you have the same curiosity? Let's check it out!
Alright, let's get started. So, microwave are used in a long distance communication because they are high frequency and low data to transmit quickly without so much interference.
Exactly, because microwave have shorter wavelength and they can carry more data compared to the lower frequency such as radio wave.
But there's a downside, right? Microwave signal cannot penetrate through solid object easily, so sometimes you get weak signal indoors.
Yeah, especially in a place with thick wall or in basement. That's why we need things like signal booster or repeater in those areas.
Right. I have noticed that sometimes the signal gets weak when I'm inside a big building. So, are there any other technologies aside from phones that rely on microwave?
Finally, microwave aren't just for phone. Wi-Fi is a big one, and satellite communication use microwave to send signal between the Earth and satellite in orbit.
Also, radar system. They use microwave to detect objects such as plane and ship because microwave can travel long distance and are less likely to scatter.
I didn't realize they were used in so many fields, but I remember reading something about microwave radiation being harmful. Is that still a concern?
Yes, the radiation concern is still there, but it's much more controlled now. Modern devices are built with safety standards to limit exposure. For example, mobile phones have regulation to ensure radiation levels stay below harmful limits.
Right, and most of the radiation from this device is non-ionizing, which means it doesn't have enough energy to damage your cell directly. But if you using your phone for a long period, it's still good to take a break.
That makes sense. I guess it's all about balancing usage. But what about things like 5G? I've heard a lot of talk about how it's connected to microwave too.
Such a good point. 5G actually operates on higher frequency bands, some of which overlap with the microwave spectrum. That's why it can offer faster data speed, but also why the range can be limited. Higher frequencies can't travel as far.
And that's why 5G requires more cell tower or small cell tower to cover the area. Since microwave don't travel as far, the network need more support to avoid signal dropouts.
Exactly, and the debate around how 5G and health risks mostly center on the increased exposure to this frequency. But again, there are regulations in place to make sure the exposure level are safe.
That clears up a lot. Overall, microwave are super useful in communication, but we still have to be aware the potential risks, right?
Yeah, pretty much. It's like with any technology, there always a balance between benefit and precautions. As long as we follow the safety guideline, the benefit far outweighs the risk.
Okay, thanks everyone. This has been such a productive discussion. I feel like I understand how microwave are used in communication so much better now.
Glad to help. It's always fun discussing with stuff with the team.
Yeah, we should do this more often as I learn something new every time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.